show y'all first. So if y'all did not know why I'm replacing it, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is not straight there, it is bent there, y'all see it, and it is pretty rusted out. Look at that, it's pretty rusted out. So I figured might as well replace it instead of trying to get it fixed. It'll be a cheaper option. So got a brand new truck lid. If y'all didn't see it, go check out the last 2 videos and y'all should be able to see it. But it should be 4 bolts, 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and if we move on to this side, 2 more bolts. That's all it should be. Then the trunk should come right out. So let's start off with this driver's side. Get these. Shouldn't be nothing else. It should come on off now. Let's see. There we go. Now I gotta get this wires out. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, man, y'all see the title and the thumbnail. We are finally gonna go ahead and remove the original trunk on my Cutlass. Now I'm not gonna pull nothing off of it just yet, which only thing I'll be pulling off would be the trunk latch and the keyhole, well, the key lock little mechanism. But yeah, I will be doing that in the next video, just so I can try and break this up into content, give myself more content, more videos for y'all to be able to see and for me to post, you know what I'm saying? So this video, we finna solely remove the trunk, man, and it should be real quick, man. If y'all remember 2 videos ago, I took y'all to the junkyard with me. I went to the junkyard, pulled off the trunk, did it by myself, didn't have no help, nobody was with me. Y'all literally watched me do it, and I loaded it in my Charger, man. Luckily I had took my seat out of the Charger and I was able to get it back home. About an 1.5 hour drive back home from where I was at in Kentucky, you know what I'm saying? Literally the closest junkyard with a Cutlass, and then the closest junkyard to me with a box Chevy is a little bit over 2 hours away, and I'm going in 2 days. So I might vlog it, I might not. I'm getting my dad to go with me this time. I was gonna go by myself, but I would not have been able to get that stuff in my Charger, you know what I'm saying? I don't think I would. So I got him taking me in his truck, and I think we're gonna use my granddad's truck, his dad's truck, my granddad. So I think that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, details ain't fully sorted out yet, but all I know is we are going Monday, regardless if we take his truck or my granddad's truck, you feel me? But my next investment needs to be in a pickup truck. I need to get myself a truck so I won't have to try and figure out a way to get stuff back. I'll be able to get in my pickup truck and just go wherever I need to go. So that's what I need to get next, man. I mean, I need to be my next vehicle, a pickup truck. Then I can worry about getting that Monte Carlo. But if a Monte Carlo come up first, then I get the Monte Carlo first. But y'all just gotta stay tuned, bro. But my plan is really to finish my box Chevy and my Cutlass, then work on getting another vehicle. So we just gotta see, man. Hopefully this channel take off and y'all still be here to be able to see me do this stuff, you know what I'm saying? If not, it's just my life gonna be off camera, you know? But yeah, like I said, oh, excuse me, we're finna go ahead and remove that trunk lid. It's just 4 bolts, so it should be pretty quick and simple and easy. And I got music in the trunk, so it should really be easy to be able to get that trunk out. It shouldn't fall on me or anything, hopefully. Fingers crossed, prayers to the sky. Ask God to let this go real smoothly, man, so I can go ahead and get this new one on and be done within the next couple of hours. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all like the video for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Roll to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Tell your family and friends come subscribe to the channel if y'all want to. Screen record the videos, post them on different social medias. If you don't want to do that, just click the share button, man, and share the channel and the video any and everywhere, man. Let's try and grow, man. That's all it is. It's just trying to grow. Other than that, though, like I said, let's get ready to do this. I think they were, what was it, 13 millimeters, y'all remember? Excuse me, 13 millimeter bolts, I'm pretty sure. So let's go ahead and get these 4 bolts removed, undo the trunk release button, undo that in the trunk, and next video, like I said, we'll pull everything off. So hope y'all enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so we can go ahead and get right into, hold on, y'all, 1 second. All right, my bad. But yeah, we can go ahead and get right into taking off this trunk, man. It should be pretty quick and easy. I'm trying to watch some wrestling while I'm taking this off, so let's go ahead and get right into it. But like I said, man, it should just be 4 bolts to get this off, and then this trunk should come on off. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. 4 bolts. So well, actually, let me show y'all first. So if y'all did not know why I'm replacing it, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is not straight there. It is bent there. Y'all see that? And it is pretty rusted out. Look at that. It's pretty rusted out. So I figured might as well replace it instead of trying to get it fixed. It'll be a cheaper option. So got a brand new truck lid. If y'all didn't see it, go check out the last 2 videos and y'all should be able to see it. But it should be 4 bolts. 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here. And if we move on to this side, 2 more bolts. That's all it should be. And then the trunk should come right out. So let's start off with this driver's side. Get these bolts out. And then that should be it, man. That should be it. Get this off. Yeah, these bolts are not stuck in. And no, I do not have any power tools with me because they all were dead. So I gotta do it all by hand. The only hard part I think is gonna be is putting the trunk on by myself. You know what I'm saying? I think that's gonna be the only hard part. Is getting the new trunk lid on with nobody here to help me. Well, to hold it in place, I should say. I think that's gonna be the hard part. But like I always do, I'm gonna figure it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna figure it out. I will figure it out. Let me get the other hardware, so give me a second. Make sure y'all don't, I don't get copyrighted from that. Alright, so here go the bolts that go to the other trunk lid. Go ahead and pull them back here so they already be back here. 2 for 2 so far. And this is when the trunk is gonna start sliding, so. Y'all see all that? Y'all probably don't see it, but it's a lot of rust just falling straight down. I'm gonna have to go vacuum out this trunk again. Yeah, like I said, the only hard part is probably gonna be, it ain't even gonna be taking off this trunk, because you gotta remember I took a trunk lid off at that junkyard. The only hard part is gonna be putting a new one on and then trying to line it up so I can get my bolts in and everything so the body gap will be right. So I think that's gonna be the only hard part. I think everything else should go real smoothly, real easily. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's it, man. I think that's gonna be the only hard part. But let's go ahead and get this side off. Then we can go ahead and remove the entire trunk lid. And I gotta figure out where I'm gonna sit this because I need to get all this stuff that I have in this thing out of this thing, so I can have my full tent back. Right now, a lot of stuff, y'all see this box here, it's a lot of stuff just over here from when I done pulled stuff from out of from off of this Cutlass. Some stuff I already took to my storage, but the rest of the stuff I didn't get out here. But yeah, if y'all don't remember, at the junkyard, it took me like 10 minutes to get the other trunk off. It was taking the bolts out, pulling it off, and then getting ready to leave. So 10 minutes, man. So that's all it should take on this one too, if I will quit pausing. But I see an ant. I seen the ant crawling. I need to get that up. Ooh. So like I said, I think the only hard part is gonna be putting that other trunk lid on and then trying to line everything up. actually, I'm gonna have to pause y'all real quick because I forgot to record my TikTok video. So let me record my TikTok video and I'll be back to y'all. So give me a second. All right, my bad about that. Like I said, I need to record the TikTok video. I almost forgot again, but yeah, I'm almost finished getting this last bolt backed out. As y'all can see, not too much more to go. Excuse me. And then this trunk lid should come right off. So let me go ahead, get that the rest of the way out, and then pull this trunk lid off. Just like that, last bolt out. And now this trunk lid should come on off. So let me move y'all back here. Sound like the ice cream truck. And the only bad thing is, on the other colors wasn't none in the trunk, so I was able to step in the trunk and lift it off. I have subs in this trunk, so I don't know how I'm finna step in here and get this lid off, but finna try and figure it out. Sit that down, sit the hardwood down. And let's try and get this trunk lid off. Oh, snap. Forgot, I gotta get this plug out. Dang it. Let me find a flathead. Forgot I gotta get this plug out from the trunk pop. And then I'm gonna have to run it through the other trunk. That should be the only thing, though. There shouldn't be nothing else. Shouldn't be nothing else. It should come on off now. Let's see. There we go. Now I gotta get this wires out. Oh, I see. There's light on there too. Alright, now I need to figure out a way to lay this down so I can get up out of this trunk. Cause this is hurting my legs. There we go. Get those out. There. Now I can sit this on the ground. I need to get out first. Alright. Got it. Ooh, made a mess, but from all that rust on the trunk. But it'll be okay. It is now off. Just like that, man. No more trunk on the cutty. Now I need to hurry and get that other one on so I can cover this car back up and go in the house because it's very, very hot. But yeah, no more trunk on the Cutlass. Y'all can see it's off. I had to get both of these wires out. One of these wires, this one, go to the trunk light, which I ain't even got no bulb in there. I just realized that, so I need to get a bulb and put in there, make sure that works. And then this one is to my trunk pop to release the trunk from the interior of the car. So gotta make sure I run both of those through the new trunk, get that on, get that done. And yeah, that's it. As y'all can't tell, I am very much out of breath. But now, no more trunk on the Cutlass, bro. Now next video, I need to go ahead and transfer everything over, which would be my lock, my hatch, or latch, and then y'all see that little screw there? They got the trunk light on it. So I need to transfer all 3 of those over, and that should be it. So it should be pretty quick to do that. It shouldn't be too hard to do that. So we will see, man. Stay tuned. Next video, we're gonna get that done. Other than that, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about me replacing the trunk. Maybe some of y'all wouldn't replace it, maybe some of y'all just try to fix it. But like I said, I had the option to replace it, and I feel like it was the better option, and money wise better option for that. It was a better option for product wise, I can say, and for money wise, you know what I'm saying? It's just a better option all around to just go ahead and replace it instead of trying to fix my original. You feel me? I just feel like it would have been too much of a headache, too much to do, too much of a hassle, and I was just better off just finding another one. And I ended up, like I said, luckily found another one, and I am now able to replace it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, man. Next video, we're gonna go ahead and transfer everything over from the original trunk lid to my new trunk lid replacement and go on from there, you know what I'm saying? Try to install it and keep going from there. So hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, man, make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and comment down below. Leave y'all opinions in the comment section, man. And other than that, man, we're gonna keep going, keep pushing, keep moving forward, and yeah, take it one step at a time, and y'all know the motto. But yeah, like I said, man, I might vlog when I go to this next junkyard. I might not. Honestly, I don't know. When I do get the parts, though, I will for sure make a video showing y'all the parts. Y'all know that for sure. But I just don't know if I'm going to vlog it or not. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm going to record it, bring my camera or not. Because me and my dad supposed to stop at the junkyard. We're supposed to stop, I think, at one of his storage buildings. We're supposed to do a couple things, you feel me, besides just going to that junkyard. For me, we're supposed to do a couple other things. So I really don't know if I'm vlogging it or not. Probably just gonna spend the day with my pops, and yeah, we just vibe out and chill together, you know what I'm saying, instead of me bringing the camera along. Because yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I really don't know yet. I haven't fully decided. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all would do, let me know what y'all wouldn't do, and stay tuned for the next video, because we will be transferring everything from the original trunk lid to the new trunk lid. So love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep God first, and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.